When launching a Meahana session, it first opens to the leader screen, your behind-the-scenes controls. From here, you can open the presentation window, which is the screen you will project or share during your meeting. The leader screen lets you control what is displayed on the presentation screen. Sessions start by showing the lobby with the QR code participants can scan to join. You can see which participants have joined at the bottom of the leader screen. Advance to the first activity by clicking Next in the bottom right corner of the leader screen. By default, the activity will start with the instructions displayed. Use the leader controls at the top of the leader screen to enable user input. Note that for any activities that use categories, you also need to open one or more categories for input. This lets you decide if you want to structure the activity to collect inputs for one category at a time or open them all for input at once. You may decide to wait before showing results to give participants time to think and submit an idea or two without being influenced by other people's contributions. Or you may decide to show results immediately and watch inputs appear on the presentation screen as they are submitted. Until you show the results, the presentation screen will just show the instructions. Again, you can decide if you want to show results for all of the categories at once or for one at a time. This allows you to control the focus as you debrief the brainstorm. If there are many responses, you can hide the instructions to reclaim space on the presentation screen. Other controls allow you to display numbers on the items submitted to make it easier to refer to one during a discussion. You can also choose to show names to display who contributed each idea. Pro tip, if you'd like the inputs to be anonymous, have people log in using an alias. You can also click Focus beside an item to highlight it on the presentation screen. From here, you can delete or edit the item if needed. If it was submitted to the wrong category, click Edit, then select a new category to reclassify it. If you have the next activity configured to pull in all of the inputs from this one, you just have to click Next at the bottom right and they will be pulled forward automatically. However, if it is configured to only pull forward selected items, you need to select the items you want to pull forward before clicking Next. If you forget to select items and your next activity is empty, you can always click Previous to return to the prior activity and select items. The leader controls work similarly for evaluation-based activities such as this slider ranking activity. Enable user inputs to let people rate items on their phones. When ready, you can display results. There's also a sort button that will display the results showing items with the highest scores at the top. Some ranking activities, such as this one, include the ability to display the results as one long list, or if they were pulled in from an activity with categories, as in this example, you can click this toggle to display the results by category. We hope you've enjoyed this quick overview of the session leader superpowers you have with Meahana. We hope it gets you excited to start building and running sessions of your own.